Hello.
Ano?
YouTube lang ako rin.
Ayun.
YouTube lang may makita sa YouTube.
Happy 90th day.
90th day?
Yeah, that's 90th. Because wala man din days.
Di ba 3 months?
Oo, 3 months. So 30 days, 30 days, 30 days. So that's 90 days. So sabihin natin may dalawang 31. So 92 days.
Meat is supreme. Meat overload pizza.
Salamat.
Sama sa noodles with stir
Oh, duty ko guys din. Ako ang
This is our
love.
Spicy fried chicken,
Duty mo
ramen
siya, guys.
noodles, spicy seafood noodle, all-time favorites, marinada, spaghetti, carbonara, sisig, bisitahan na ang Yugos
Paglugo
Pizza
pa, ano mo lang po yun?
GECP.
Ay, wala pa akong kilay.
Kahit ano.
For delivery, mag-pizza lubog sa Yugos Pizza Cafe.
Oh guys, good morning. Sagad mo.
That's good day because you are not sure na morning mo ma-upload yan.
Dapat ko nga yun.
Maghintay ng kay Tagal ng order mo.
Happy
92nd day.
92nd day?
Yeah, 92nd day because we have 31. The September.
So is naman na happy together, love, caring, understanding, and forever, happy always and forever.
Happy Barkada Day.
Barkada na namin guys, barkada.
Di ba Barkada Day?
Oo. Gina, I love you.
Ingat.
Ingat din.
Seasoning pork ribs, sacre, cream sauce, sweet and spicy deep fried tilapia, halo-halo cheese.
Bye bye guys, bye na.
Bye!